See session number 17. Drafting. Drafting in Catia refers to the process of creating a 2D technical drawings from 3D models. These drawings include detailed views, dimensions, annotations, and other necessary information required for manufacturing inspections or documentation purpose. Drafting is a critical step in the design process as it provides a clear and standardized way to communicate the design's intent. Creating a new drawing. This task will show you how to create a new drawing with a predefined views generated from a part. Open the gen drafting underscore part.cat part document. Make sure no drawing is already open. From the menu bar, select Start, Mechanical Design, select the drafting workbench. The new drawing creations dialog box appears with the information on views that can possibly be created as well as the information on the drawing standards. This one is there. When you are just clicking on a start mechanical design and drafting, this box is opening. This is a plain and this one is a views, somewhat views, front view, side view, top view, all views are there. And click on OK. Select the views to be automatically created on your drawing from the new drawing creations dialog box. For example, the front view, bottom view, and the right icons are there. Click OK. A progress bar appears while the views are being generated from the opened CAD part. Creating a projections views. This task will show you how to create a projection views on the sheet relatively to the front view previously generated. Projections views are views conveys to be drawn or projected onto planes known as the projection planes, a transparent plane or a pane of a glass. Representing a projection plane is located parallel to the front surfaces of the part. Open the Gen drafting underscore front underscore view dot cat drawing document. First one is the double click projections view I underscore draw proj view p2 dot gif. 226 bytes are there in the views toolbars. As you move the cursor, a previewed projections views in a green frame appears on the sheet. Second one is define the position view positions by positioning the cursors at the desired view locations. For example, the right view positions. Third one is click inside the green frame to generate the view. Fourth one is define the bottom view positions. Fifth one is click inside the seat to generate the views. And sixth one is click projections view to end the projection view creation. Creating a section view. In this task, you will learn how to create a section views or a section cutting using 3D profiles as a cutting plane. Section view. Section cuts are usually created using a cutting profiles as a cutting plane, such as a profile is driven using a concentricity or parallelism constraint, defining a profile in 3D to create a section view. Section cut enables you to make the profile associated to with the geometry and therefore to drive these profiles using a dimension constraint. You can see. We will see in a Katia. I am imported this model from outside. Click on Start Mechanical Design and go in Drafting. You can see this one is a plain empty seat is there and this one is all views are present here and this one is a front, bottom and right only. Front, top and left. You can see this one is a standard ISO format. AO ISO A0 ISO. Paper size is the 841 by 1189 mm. Global scale is the 1:1. We are selected already and just click on OK. It takes some time. You can see here. Front view is generating. Rear view 14 percentage is completed. 28 percentage. Top view is bottom view. All views are present here. Left view, right view 71% is completed. Isometric view, you can see all views are present here. Now I am selecting text. I am increasing the size of text. From here you can increase the size. You can see here. This one is a bottom view. Scale is a 1:1. This one is a isometric view. This one is a right view. This one is a front view, left view, rear view, and the top view. You can see isometric view is there. These all views are present here. This session is completed. Thank you.